Seaworks.
Okay, so I'm David Pollitt. I'm the Capability Development Manager at OSI Maritime Systems. We're a company that make navigation systems for warships, submarines and small craft. So the reason we're here is for naval craft, small craft. This is our key market, and we want to see what the developments are, who the key competitors are, and to talk to our potential customers.
So what's the attraction for coming here as opposed to purely a defence show, for example?
So we go to defence shows and we pick the big national shows around the world. So we'll be at DSEI later in the year. We were at CANSEC. I should explain our company is a Canadian company, so we're based out of Vancouver. So CANSEC is important to us. But our key market doesn't always go to the places that we want to be at. And being here, we see what commercial companies are doing. So later this week I'll be walking the floor at Seaworks itself to see what the commercial world is doing, because that may affect how we develop our systems in the future, and may provide us with key ingredients that we would bring into the system.
So there's a lot of very high performance craft here, obviously a lot smaller than most of the naval craft I guess you're working with. Are systems different for the smaller craft, or are they sort of in a sort of bridged down version of the main ones?
Yeah, so we build the software. That's where we started as a company. 30 odd years ago we started building digital software for navigation, which before anyone even thought about digital navigation, we were doing it. So the software is key, and the user is key to how we do it. Now the differences are, on a big ship you've got lots of officers, you've got lots of people who can do the navigation piece. On a small craft you've got the guy at the helm who's got a lot to do at 45 knots to try and navigate his vessel safely. That's where we see our navigation software doing its bit, as helping him do it without him having to work hard. And
so being intuitive then, I guess, is the whole thing, the key to the success, is it?
And not having to touch it. Let it do the business. It links him to his mothership if he's got a mothership, or to the headquarters. We can do satellite communications, all these things, to bring him the solution he needs without him having to spend his time trying to navigate the small craft. At high speed, in bad weather, with the rain howling, and I was out today when it was howling weather, it's very difficult to do things. You've got to slow down, you've got to stop, and you don't want to be doing that when you're operating a craft at high speed.
Does the integrity of this, does the integrity of the systems, is it compromised in any way with the weather, being exposed to
No,
much?
we build our systems to the highest levels. So there's an international protocol, we call it IP67. We can go to IP68. You can submerge the system if you want to for periods of time, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. And it's designed for that very purpose. We build for open cockpit craft. We design it so that it continues to work. It's not overly complex. It's just like your smartphone, except you don't have to do anything with it. It will do it for you.
Brilliant. Listen, have a great show, and thank you much indeed for your time.
Thank you very much.
David, thank
Nice
you.
to meet you.
And you, thank you.